Curious about the fuse box location and diagram for the Acura EL 1997 to 2000? Wondering where each fuse panel is and what its functions are? I'll show you where they're located and explain how they keep your SUV's electrical system safe and running smoothly. Passenger compartment fuse box. In the 1997 to 2000 Acura EL, the passenger compartment fuse box manages key interior and body electrical circuits such as instrument cluster functions, interior lighting, power windows and locks, audio system, and various control switches, helping ensure stable operation of cabin electronics and safety features. Engine compartment fuse box. In the 1997 to 2000 Acura EL, the engine compartment fuse box distributes and protects power for essential systems including engine control functions, ignition, cooling fans, lighting circuits, and charging components, helping prevent electrical overloads and system failures. Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse. Glass tube fuse, a GC fuse, SFE fuse. Ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse. PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse. Link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse. Fuse conditions. Blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses. Turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thank you for watching.